Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Construction update in my backyard. Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Construction update happened in my backyard. And now,
my client gave me. They were supposed to go over there.
And I'm going to show you the yard. Oh, feel like I'm always my camera so far. Okay, it's starting to get spring. I'm wearing some clothes. This is the backyard. You remember the pool being here one video? Least being everywhere. Stick. And do you want to see the doghouse? It's still behind here. I can't see anything. I'm trying to show you guys what's inside. Oh, there's not that much really. Just a abandoned dog house. I'm showing you the backyard. This is the backyard. It's you, Pollen. Okay, I'm back. Someone just cried. There's people. This is my family doing construction. And I am going.
Yeah.
Okay. What is this?
Those aren't one of the things.
Oh, did I find diamonds? I was just looking over here. Stranded in the backyard.
No, it's a broken
Papa Man animation. It's called Total Machine. What is this?
No, why people do the things they do, Jayla.
Oh my god. Why is that? What's that? Okay, now I'm back. I see that right there on my camera. I'm not even pointing over there. Camera fishing, that's what it's needed. Oh my god. Oh my god. They actually kind of look like real life. You can see. Hi. So I'm gonna go back in the backyard. My shadow's only over there. See? That means 5 o'clock, right? Yeah. Okay. I'm trying to make a gaming room, but I can't because I can't touch the freaking ceiling. Green screen. That's what everyone wants. But I actually want something that is more like a green screen. And that can do something else. Okay. Let's get back. Oh. I want to show you everything that stumbled. First, this house was, I don't even know when this house got built. 19 something. I don't know, something built in 19. I don't know when this house was built, but there's no ghost. Only a few people died before, but they actually ran to the hospital, so the hospital that they were in was haunted. Oh my god, I'm so... Okay. I'll pause the video and I'll spawn somewhere else. Okay, we're doing over here. This is my video. I hope I get a I don't know if I told you to do it, but I don't want to say it. But if you came this far, no, I'm not saying it. It's like only been 6 minutes, so yeah. God damn, there's so much time. It's not a bad word. Just don't say it to your parents or you might get in trouble. They might say it's a bad word, but it isn't. I'm gonna walk. This is the street that I can walk up. Now, it's like running from the cops. But oh my god, the shadows following me. Just a casual walk up and down the street where lots of construction is going on. It's kind of like the boardwalk in Lywood. You walk all the way up here. Like bird, look at this. Look at this nice view that you can have of the sun. You're gonna do that if you're on a big screen. I can't really see the camera right now. Okay, I'm gonna turn it back around. It's like there's so much construction because it's like getting close to the summer. Summer means more construction, like in Wildwood, New Jersey, and popular places, or if they want to change their house or someone trying to tattle on them or something, about their backyard being dirty or something. But this is cool. When those cars come up, I have to pause it, I think. Hello. It's like, oh. Still walking down. Okay. Walking down the road. Not that far. When you have a inch phone that's kind of heavy. Kind of heavy and stuff. Okay, I'm gonna go past the junk right here. Onto the road, boys. So, like, I should title this construction and a walk down the road. Oh my god, it's a redbird. Had you even seen a redbird before? It's like bluebirds, redbirds. No, there's a redbird. I'm gonna stop at a car. I don't know if I should be recording my hand. Oh my god. Okay, funny. T-Move keeps on texting me with all these. I download T-Move where I can just get some free stuff and stuff. Like headphones and stuff. I guess that did not work because you have to pay $15 now. It used to be 10 or 5 or something. It used to be less in the old days. Like the Lywood Boardwalk Tram car. It used to be like 50 cents to go on. I'm not trying to be like one of those YouTubers trying to say, oh, like this, like and subscribe, like, bro. I'm not trying to be one of those YouTubers that tell you in the video. If I say in the first time I accidentally saying that. Hey guys, hi guys, welcome back to my video. Like and subscribe, but I don't know if I said like and subscribe because I really don't want to say that. You don't need to like and subscribe. You don't need to like and subscribe if you don't want to. You don't need to like and subscribe if you want to. You can just stay unsubscribed and just watch my videos. You don't need to always like and subscribe to me and stuff. Okay, I'm gonna take another walk. I'm going more up this time. I'm like, let me get some water, but I'm not. Let me get some water or something, but I'm not thirsty yet. It's just a casual walk. Ten-minute walk. Damn. Hi guys. No. Okay. I by accident clicked the wrong button. And I by accident clicked the wrong button and ended the video. So I might just say this is part 2, or I'll just put this with my other video. I don't know if I can edit a video. I don't know. I have to edit it. I know how to edit my videos. Putting 2 videos into one is like good. The words don't say my name. I'm mixing back down. Okay, I'm going back down. Oh my god, those dogs. They're always barking. I'm just making a video. Now I'm going back down the street. I'm going back down the street. Where are you? Okay, I have to move. Okay. I'm going back down the hill. Because I'm just like okay, I'm going back down the hill. I was like scared because there's all these kids and stuff that like keep on coming here. There's like all these kids down the hill, and there's not even that much kids up the hill. It's like, brr, I'm all left alone. Yeah, I'm scared of people. Brr. I'm just walking down the street. street. Now I'm going. Why am I even making this video? I'm actually kind of sweaty. I found a penny. Let's see. I found a penny. I can't believe I'm starting to find pennies again. It's like a few years ago I couldn't find pennies, and now I'm finding pennies for my penny collection again. It's like, brr, I'm finding pennies everywhere again. I hope there's more people hiking this road. Okay, I'll be right back. Oh, by accident dropped my phone. Okay, I'll be right back. I'll be right back and charging my phone. Okay, I'm not gonna charge it. I'm gonna charge it after this video. I got some energy and stuff, but I'm gonna charge it after this video because, yeah, I just want to charge it after this video because I think it won't charge. Actually, maybe if I just put my thing down. I'm just gonna turn on. Oh, no. I think right there. I'm gonna go back down the street because I think I need to. I'm gonna go back down the street because I want to. It's like I'm trying to stay on this road. Oh my god, when is... There's supposed to be some kind of truck. Okay, I'm walking actually down. You can see how I'm using my camera. You can see how I'm using my camera. I'm using my hands. I'm switching hands because I want to. Yeah. This is no longer a construction update. I'm gonna say like 10 or 9 over a little bit. Oh. What? I showed one trick shot. I don't know why I even went down there. I just wanted to record something. Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna go back up. I should just stop running. Okay. Because I don't want to get in trouble. I never asked anyone to go down there. I walked past a couple on my street. You can see that I'm holding it with this hand now. I feel like it's already 80 degrees. I don't even feel like it's 70 or 60. Because I'm getting tired. But I'm not sweating. I feel like I'm just a random person that does not sweat. Yeah. Oh. I'll just have to pause the video or something, because I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know, I'm just gonna pause the video right now. I'll do that someone's way right now. I'll spawn somewhere else. I spawned over here. Now I'm back recording this video. Okay, I am. I literally just spawned right in my backyard. Actually, I walked over there and just paused the video. Unpaused it. Then I actually. Okay, I'm like giving out camera secrets right now. The first camera secret that you should always know is that you have to get something to make a 1 hour video. If you have some phone and you're recording it with something, you can pause it. Or maybe on your camera, even if it has a pause section. Like my GoPro doesn't have a pause section. But this branch is like my exercise. Ugh. Sigh. I need to put my phone up here. Dad, I'm literally balanced. Oh. Close car. Oh, I got something in my camera. I might have to get some tweezers and do something. Okay. I don't care if I show my face, it's just this video. Construction. Number 1. You know, if you had leaves around your yard for a long time and you just cleaned it up, the grass will start growing immediately. Because it's trying to grow, but the leaves are covering it. Because that's what it. Because when my family got all this mess over here, it was all over the yard, and now there's like leaves growing everywhere. Instead of when I ran over my bike into that branch. But right here, there's like roots everywhere. You can the trees are starting to grow. Tornadoes. No tornadoes actually happen. Okay, I'm gonna spawn again. Actually, I should do that again. Okay, I'm back. I'm gonna do it again. This is like my first video ever. Boom! I'm back. You know how fun it is to teleport all over the city? I was right in my backyard, and I just spawned right in my front yard. You know how cool editing is right now. You literally can teleport anywhere, like this. Oh, see, I was just down there. I was just right down there, and I spawned it right here. Oh my god. I told you, editing is crazy. You can spawn anywhere. YouTube videos, editing, that makes it more crazy. I'm seriously scared right now. It's like, let me spawn all the way up to that other blue garbage can. I told you, I spawned it. I can spawn. I feel like one day I can spawn anywhere. Let's just make a YouTube video. What happens if I just make a YouTube video about going to Wildwood and I just jump over there? I said I'm going to 4 hours to Wildwood, then I will jump back over there to my hotel. Oh my god, that would be so cool. Okay, one day I'm gonna make a Wildwood video. I'm gonna jump over there, up, and when I get to my hotel, I'm gonna jump down and it'll look like I spawned. And it's like almost over the entire world. Oh my god. I have to wait 4 hours. God. Okay, I'm gonna put a timer on because I think it's 4 hours because you not get in a hotel. I'm like hotel near the boardwalk. That's near the ocean. So that adds maybe plus some more 30 minutes or something to get over there. If I went over here to the other place, but to a different house, close to the bridge, then that's when I'll be more than like 3 hours or something. But no, I don't know why. It's like we're more than 3 hours. I mean, less than 1 hour from the time that I actually go. Because if there's a hotel, another hotel, it might take us like 5 hours to do it because it will take like 1 hour. Okay, I'm just gonna spawn at the bottom of the hotel. Okay, I'm gonna spawn down there. I have to redo that. Oh my god, my spawning did not work. Oh my god, I'm in a tree right now. I'm literally in a tree right now. My spawning did not work. My spawning did not work. My spawning did not work. Look. Whew. Okay, my spawning did not work. But now I'm gonna get down. Okay. Let me type in the coordinates. Zoom, teleport over there. Me to the bottom of the hill. I thought is the teleportation laggy or something? Cause I'm just like shocked right now. Let me get back up. I feel like that's gonna be it. I teleported by accident. I just not show you the jump. Okay. I think that's gonna be it because my teleportation keeps on lagging in case I'm spawning me somewhere else. So yeah, I might just end the video. Bye. People that no. If you made it this far, I'm so happy I'm so happy for you. Yeah, I'm so happy. I am so happy. Bye.